Earn money by touching phone screen. Make money online. Welcome to Profitability Plus, where we're all about unlocking the secrets to making money online. Today, we've got something big to share, so don't click away. If you do, you'll miss out on a game changer for your finances. Imagine this. You can pocket over $500 online with just a simple tap on your phone screen. In today's video, we're going to give you the exact steps to make this happen. And guess what? You can do it even if you're starting fresh on your laptop or smartphone. It's as easy as a tap, and the rewards are waiting for you. Let's dive right in. Our journey kicks off at enrollapp.com, a site with a mission to make the internet a better place for all. This is where you can earn money without breaking a sweat. All you have to do is answer straightforward poll questions about different products and share your thoughts on upcoming releases. The best part? Joining is completely free, and it's open to everyone who's up for some extra cash. What's even better is the flexibility it offers. You can take these tests from virtually anywhere. Whether you're on a bus, relaxing in a park, or chilling at home, it's an opportunity that knows no boundaries. With over 651,000 tests already in the books and thousands of folks making money every day, Enroll App welcomes members from all over the world. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, could you do us a solid? Give this video a thumbs up and help us reach our target of 1,000 likes. Once we hit that milestone, we'll show you the cold, hard proof of what you can earn on this site. Now, let's break down the process. First things first, you'll want to complete a sample test. Click on the Begin This Question button and you'll find a short test that's like an intro to the platform. Answer the questions that match your interests and preferences. This helps tailor the test to your unique profile. Once you're geared up and ready, it's time to create your Enroll App account. You can do this by clicking the big red Register button or by entering your info in the homepage. Start with your email, set up a secure password, complete the CAPTCHA, and you're on your way to snagging your first $5. User Testing. User Testing, a well-known platform, pays users for testing websites. The process is simple. Start with a practice test, and once you're approved, you can dive into paid tests. Just remember, your feedback is key, so make sure to share your thoughts throughout the test. After your practice test is greenlit, you'll find paid tests awaiting in your dashboard. For each one, you'll need to complete a brief 1-minute screener to check if you qualify. Typically, I get about 1 to 2 tests per week that match my profile, so you can expect a similar frequency. The payout is $10 via PayPal, and it arrives in your account 7 days after completing the test. User Testing offers tests for smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Occasionally, you may even get a chance to participate in live tests where you interact with a customer while testing a website. These live tests can pay you up to $30 for 30 minutes of your time. U-Test. U-Test might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but hang in there. It's a more complex user testing platform, but once you get the hang of it, you'll see the earning potential. Some users are making full-time income over $3,000 a month with U-Test. It takes time and effort, but it's proof that big earnings are possible. On U-Test, your job is to find bugs in software. The pay for each test cycle varies, but you can expect an average of $5 per bug. When you sign up, don't expect pay jobs to flood your inbox right away. You might wait up to 2 weeks to receive your sandbox test, a practice test that's a prerequisite for paid projects. From there, you'll gradually build your rating to receive more test invitations. There's a wealth of valuable and free information available on U-Test, so make sure to explore their courses and forums. User Peak. User Peak, previously known as User Test, is in development and they're now accepting tester applications. Tests here pay $10 for 10 to 15 minutes of work with payments sent via PayPal. These tests primarily focus on usability, requiring you to complete specific tasks while using a website or app and vocalizing your thoughts as you do. User Feel offers tasks that take around 10 to 20 minutes each, paying out $10 per test. You can take these tests on your computer or smartphone. To get started, you'll need to take a qualification test, and it's a good idea to check out their tester fact for valuable insights to become a better tester. Trimata, designed for anyone 18 or older fluent in English with access to PayPal, offers usability tests for websites and mobile apps, both Android and iOS. On average, you can earn $5 to $30 per test, equivalent to around $10 to $30 per hour. Test frequency typically ranges from 1 to 3 paid tests a week, with payments sent out weekly through PayPal. There's no minimum payout requirement, and approved test payments are processed every weekday. While there's no sign-up bonus, you can get started by signing up. Here's the link. For more information, you can explore Trimata reviews and the earning guide. Now, it's your journey to take. Enroll app uses your responses to connect you with projects that match your interests and demographics. The more poll questions you tackle, the more money you'll stack up. So stay active on the website and watch your earnings grow. But that's not all. To supercharge your earnings, it's time to fine-tune your profile settings. These tweaks crank up the number of test opportunities and notifications you receive. Specify the devices you've got, set your availability preferences, and validate your phone number. Taking these steps gives you a serious edge in maximizing your earnings. That's a wrap-up for today's video, but your journey to financial freedom is far from over. Click on the video you see on the screen for more insights on boosting your income. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a more prosperous future.